जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगमु 29th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I am going to tell you the best means to be happy, to attain peace. For that, Arjuna, you have to understand who I am. You have to realize that I am the enjoyer of all the sacrifices, all the yajnas and tapasyas in this entire creation. I am the one who receives them. I am the one who confers fruits for all those yajnas and tapasyas. Arjuna, you have to realize that I am the supreme Lord of all the lords in this entire universe. Arjuna, you also have to realize that I am the one who is there in each and everyone's heart, and I am the best friend to all the entities. If you realize these facts, if you keep your unshakable faith in these facts, now you feel so great and happy and peace, because such a great man is your best friend, and such a great man, Supreme Lord, is there in your heart and willing to do all kind of favors to you in all circumstances. What else can be the best for you? Arjuna, if you do realize these facts, if you connect to me like that, then you will dedicate all your activities to me. Then you will start performing karma yogam for me as my aradhana. With that, you will be always at peace. You will be always happy. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma disclosing his supremacy and asking us to be connected to that, asking us to realize those facts, and then we will be happy forever. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bhoktaram Yajñatapasam Sarvalokamaheeswaram Suhrudam Sarvabhutanam Jnatva Mam Shanti Mruchati. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatamo Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma, now praying Srimannarayana, that, O Srimannarayana, as and how you taught, I am going to be doing this Srishti Karyam. O Deva, while doing this activity of Srishti Karyam, please bless me too, not to be tied by any karma bandham. O Devadideva, yavat sakha sakhyuhu iva isakrutaha. Hey Bhagavan, as and how a friend touches other friend, you are touching me. You are talking to me. You are shaking your hands with me. Hey Bhagavan, this is such a great blessing. Please bless me so that I should not be doing any kind of mistakes in Srishti Karyam. Please bless me so that I should not be feeling I am doing. Please bless me so that I can be an instrument in your hands. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma praying Srimannarayana. Then Paramatma saying to Chaturmukha Brahma, O Vedagarbha, Jnanam Paramaguhyam me. All about my supremacy, the entire Shastram talking about. All that is very, very confidential jnanam. Only with bhakti you will be able to understand that jnanam. Such jnanam sarahasyam tadangancha gruhana gaditam maya. Now I am going to disclose that jnanam which is revealed in Shastram about myself. I am going to tell you now. You listen to me carefully. Like that, Srimannarayana, whatever he taught to Chaturmukha Brahma, that entire Vijnanam is Bhagavatam. Paramatma taught that entire Vijnanam which is Bhagavatam in 4 slokas to Chaturmukha Brahma. Those 4 slokas now I am going to have you all repeat. Sri Bhagavanu Uvacha Jnanam Paramaguhyam me Yadvijnana Samanvitam Sarahasyam Tadangancha Gruhana Gaditam Maya. Now the first sloka of 4 slokas. Yavanaham Yadha Bhavo Yadrupa Gunakarmakaha Tadhaiva Tattva Vijnanam Astute Madanugrahat. Second of 4 slokas. Ahameva Asam Evagre Nanyat Yat Sat Asat Param Paschadaham Yedetacha Yo vasishyeta Sosmyaham. Now third sloka of 4 slokas. Ruterdham Yat pratiyeta Na pratiyeta cha Atmani Tat vidyat Atmano mayam Yadha bhaso Yadha tamaha. Now fourth sloka, 4 slokas. Yadha mahanti Bhutani Bhuteshu Uchavacheshu Anupravishtani Apravishtani Tadhateshu Nateshvaham. Now Phalasruti. Etavadeva Jignasyam Tattva Jignasuna Atmanaha Anvaya Vyatireka-abhyam Yatsyat Sarvatra Sarvada Yetanmatam Samatishta Paramena Samadhina Bhavan Kalpa Vikalpeshu Na Vimukhyati Karihichit. Om. Let us understand the meaning of these slokas and what happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Idam Shariram Parinaamapesalam Patati Avasyam Sledha Sandhi జర్ఝరం కిమౌషధైః క్లిశ్యసి మూఢదుర్మతే నిరామయం కృష్ణరసాయనం పిబ. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 5th chapter 29th శ్లోక. భోక్తారం యజ్ఞతపసాం సర్వలోకమహేశ్వరం సుహృదం సర్వభూతానాం జ్ఞాత్వా మాం శాంతిమృచ్చతి. భోక్తారం యజ్ఞతపసాం సర్వలోకమహేశ్వరం సుహృదం సర్వభూతానాం జ్ఞాత్వా మాం శాంతిమృచ్చతి. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.